Andriki Namaskaram. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. Naku chala sandoshanga undi roju because it's a very special film. I've seen the original and I'm very happy to be a part of this film. But it's not a remake. It's very special and that's thanks to our producer and our director, Chandu. I think it's a very, very special film and I'm so glad Naku chala sandoshanga undi that he believes in me and he gave me this part. To the producers, this evening is about the music. To the music directors, Mr. Gopi and Rajesh, who've given us such beautiful music for this film. To our wonderful DOP, Karthik, who's made us all look lovely. And most of all, I'd like to say thank you, Che. He's been one of the best co-stars and also one of my best friends. So it's been wonderful working with you. Thank you so much. Please pray for us and please hope that this film does well. Thank you. Andriki, pedda thanks.
శృతిని చూసి మీరంతా కమల్ హాసన్ లా ఉన్నాడు అలా ఇలా అని చెప్తున్నారు. చాలా తప్పు. శృతి హాసన్ మొట్టమొదటి సినిమాలో యాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉందంటే వాళ్ళమ్మ సారిక ఫస్ట్ నా సినిమాలో యాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉందో అలా ఉంది. జస్ట్ అమ్మాయి Sarika replica. She looks like that.